Good evening, Ka. Oh, you look so beautiful tonight.
Hey, teacher.
Okay, have you eaten your dinner?
No. After this class, I will
Ah,
have dinner.
okay. How's your day? How's your day, Ka?
It's very nice
Why?
because I meet my classmate and mm, hang out with my friend.
Oh, okay. So, shall we start? All right, how about your assignment? Did you answer that one? Hello, Ka.
Yes.
How about your assignment? How about your assignment?
I do it. I do it and I
Oh,
send it on my class.
okay. I will check that one after the class. All right. So I think we've done this topic already, honesty pace, right?
Yeah.
And then we move the adrenaline junkies. Okay?
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right. Okay, can you please read the title here?
Yeah. Of course.
Okay. Okay, read it this one.
English listening exercise for H2 and like cookies.
Okay, adrenaline junkies. Again.
Correct?
Hello, read it
Yes.
again. One more time. Adri.
Three like cookies.
Yes, very good. All right. So, let's have our first activity here. Okay. So can you please read for the instruction here? Number one. Okay, what do you mean by adrenaline junkies?
I
What?
don't, I don't know.
Okay. Adrenaline means
Like
again. What is
read
that?
the text about base jumping and choose the correct answer to complete grab 1 to 5.
Yeah. Okay. How about the base jumping? Okay, please read
Ah,
the
base
paragraph here.
jumping is extreme sport.
Okay, base jumping is an extreme sport. It is okay. We're going to all right.
It is
Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay. Just wait for a minute ka.
mm,
Uh,
uh,
all right.
to it now, Mrs.
Okay, wait. Okay, what do you mean by adrenaline junkies? Ka. Okay, when we say adrenaline junkies, it means people who loves excitement. Okay, it means people. Okay, it means
Yes.
people. Okay, all right. It means people who love excitement, excitement, mm, thrill, and risky. What do you mean by risky?
Crispy is mean um
The
crispy.
risky, risky. It means
Or
dangerous, right?
oh, yes, yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, can you please read? It means,
The dangerous sport,
yeah,
dangerous activity.
they doing things. Okay, they doing things make
Dangerous.
that make their heart, okay, their heart race or give them an adrenaline rush. All right. Can you please read again? It means,
These mean people who love is excitement, thrill, and risky activities. They doing things that make their heart race and give them adrenaline rush.
okay,
Yeah.
like for example, that's one. Okay, like for example. All right, I will write here. Okay, a person, example. All right. So a person who rides, all right, who rides extreme roller coaster. All right. Okay, can you please read for the example here? Okay, a person.
A, a, a person who ride extreme roller coaster.
Okay, this is what we
Extreme.
called, yes, this is an example of adrenaline junkies from the word extreme. Okay, read this one.
Roller
Extreme.
coaster.
Yes.
It's
Like, yes, like risky activities or dangerous, right? When we say junkies, it means dangerous activities or risky activities. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand, Ka?
yes.
All right, very good. Okay, shall we start this first activity here? Okay, so you are going to choose these choices here below. Okay?
Yeah.
But before that, you are going first to read the paragraph. Okay? All right. Okay. Read number one first. Read the text. Okay, read. Hello?
Read the text. Yes.
Yes. Uh-huh. Okay, read.
Um, Read the text about base jumping and choose the correct answer to complete gaps 1 to 5.
Us. All right. So we have here the base jumping. Okay, can you please read this one? Okay. Base jumping.
Base jumping. Base jumping is a
Okay,
extreme.
again.
Extreme.
Again.
Base
Base
jumping. Base
jumping.
jumping.
Jump.
Jumping
Yeah. Is on
is a
extreme
extreme sport. It
yeah
is
blank
flying to
to
skydiving, diving.
skydiving. Again. One more time.
Skydiving.
Okay, very good.
But there are important differences.
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 Yeah.
Firstly,
Yeah,
the
this
jumps are much
much
lower,
lower.
usually more than 600 meters. And
Okay.
secondary, there
And
are no
okay,
aircraft.
again. And secondly,
Secondly,
there is no aircraft. Okay, what do you mean
aircraft.
by aircraft? What do you mean by aircraft?
I guess it's to help us. Yeah.
Again, what is aircraft again?
I think it is our to help us.
Okay, it means any vehicle that can fly through the air. Okay, I will write this one. Okay, aircraft means any. Okay, aircraft means any vehicle that can fly that can fly through the air. Okay, can you please read the aircraft? Okay, can read.
Oh,
Okay, the aircraft.
vehicle that can fly through the air.
Okay, aircraft means any vehicle that can fly through the air. Okay, number 2, blank.
Participant.
Part,
Participant.
okay, participants.
Um,
Participants. Hello, ka? I think you're busy.
Participant.
Jump.
From some kind of friendly or
Okay,
something.
again, bridge.
A bridge.
Yes. Building.
Building a cliff.
Cliff. Okay, so some
The
of the
first
okay, can I explain it first? Okay, some participants jump from some kind of bridge or building or cliff. Okay, the first base jump took, okay, number 3, blank,
blank in 190
1912, 1000,
1090 912
okay,
in
yes,
New York.
1912 or 1912 in New York, right? Okay, continue.
Where Frederick
Frederick,
Frederick
again,
Law Frederick Law
Frederick,
Frederick
again,
Frederick
Frederick
Law
jump
Jump from the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah. Okay, continue.
In the 1960s years and
70s.
17 years,
70s.
70s, the sport became more popular, partly playing
Okay,
uh,
continue. What is the
partly.
Okay, what is that ka? I think you're so busy.
Statues.
Okay, to filmmaker Carl. Okay, read.
The two filmmaker Carl Bunix.
Yes, he made documentaries.
He make a series about base streaming.
Okay,
Um,
again, documentaries.
Documentaries
Yeah, about.
about base streaming and also of the name. He died in
84.
1984 while he was
1984. Okay, again.
1984
Yes,
while he
very good.
was jumping in Norway. Base jumping is a thrilling experience and it is very risky too.
Okay, so who is the filmmaker? Who is the filmmaker?
Filmmaker
He is Carl.
for business.
Yes, so he made documentaries about what? About
Base jumping.
okay, base jumping and also okay, he died in what year? He died in what year?
He died in 1984
Yes, very good. While he was
while he were jumping in Norway.
okay, so base jumping is thrilling experience. Okay. Carl
Risky too.
Bonish. Okay, let me explain first. Okay, Carl Bonish said that base jumping is thrilling experience, but it is very risky too, right? Yeah. Okay, so here. Okay, here. So there are the choices here. Okay, can you please read for number
Yes,
one?
yes.
Okay, A. Okay, number one, please.
Number one is I guess it says lie.
Yes.
B. Um, um,
Okay, Ka, you are going to choose either A, B, or C. Okay?
can you search? Oh,
Okay, just wait. Okay, this one. So
yes,
you are
yes, yes.
going to choose the correct answer to complete the gap. So you are going to write the correct answer on the space provided, okay? Here in the blank. Do not encircle the answer. You need to write the answer here in the blank, okay?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now the word, not the letter.
Oh, right. Where?
Okay, the word itself. Are you done?
Yes, and I
Okay,
have
how about
finished.
okay, number 5. Okay, number 5.
Yes, yes.
What is your answer for number 5?
Mm.
Okay, read for number 5.
Invent, design, tone. Design. You
Are you done?
yes.
Okay, see. All right. Okay, do not
Yes.
erase your answer anymore, okay?
Write the answer.
Okay. All right. This one. Okay. Number 1, base jumping is an extreme sport. It is, your answer is like. Okay, letter
L-
B. All right, but the correct answer is letter C. All right, this one. This is the correct answer. Okay, base jumping is an extreme sport. It is similar to skydiving, but there are important differences. Okay, they are similar, but there are important differences. Firstly, the jumps are much lower, usually no more than 600 meters. And secondly, there is no aircraft. Okay, what is your answer for number 2? How? Okay, letter.
letter
Lat.
A.
Okay, your answer is letter A. Let's see. Okay, the correct answer is C again. Okay, please read. It's instead. Okay, instead participants jump. Okay, I will write the correct answer. Okay, number number 1 is similar. Okay, okay, similar, and then number 2 is instead. Okay, instead. Okay, okay, instead. Okay, instead participants jump from some kind of bridge, building, or air or cliff. All right, number 3. The first base jump took. What is your answer? It's letter B. Yes, correct. All right. So the first base jump took place in 1912 in New York. When, okay, from the word New York, so this is a kind of place. When Frederick Law jumped from the Statue of Liberty in the 1960s and 70s, the sport became more popular. Partly, your answer is letter C, but the correct answer is letter A. Partly, okay. The correct answer is C. Accordingly to filmmaker, okay, your answer is correct. All right. He made documentaries about base jumping, and also your answer is all right. Deciding. Okay. So he made documentaries about base jumping and also thought of the name, decided of the name. Okay, your answer is Correct. Okay. He made documentaries about base jumping and also decided of the name. He died in 1984. Okay, while he was jumping in Norway. Base jumping is a thrilling experience, but it is very risky too. Okay, when we say risky activities, it's adrenaline junkies, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when we say risky activities, that is called
This is called
adrenaline
uh,
junkies. Okay, again, when we say risky activities or thrilling excitement, that is called hel-
is called thrilling
adrenaline
adrenaline.
junkies. All right, don't forget that one, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, when we say extreme sport, that is also a adrenaline junkies, okay? That is risky activities. When we say risky activities, that is a adrenaline junkies. All right, that's one. Can you please read first instruction here? Okay, read and okay, read.
Um.
Okay, hello, Ka. Can you hear me well?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, read the
Yes.
instruction here, please.
Read the listening strategy.
Strategy again. Okay, strategy.
Strategy.
Again, strategy.
Strategy.
All right. Okay. Continue.
Strategy.
Continue.
Then listen to us talking about wingsuit flying. Write the word he used instead of the underlined word. Hmm.
Okay. All of our activities here is about adrenaline junkies, right? Because more on flying, right? Yes. All right. Okay, just wait for a minute, ka. Okay.
Continues.
All right. Okay, so you are going to listen first the audio here. Okay, are you ready to listen this one?
Yes.
Okay.
I spent ages trying to find the right sport. I played team games like football and volleyball when I was a teenager, but I didn't enjoy them. I prefer to be in control, so I like individual sports. When I was 19, I discovered wingsuit flying. It's an amazing feeling because it really is like being a bird. You can choose which way to fly. I love it. The only problem is, it isn't cheap. For that reason, I can't do it as often as I want to.
All right. Okay. So, do you want to play it again or not?
Yeah.
Play it again.
Yes.
All right.
I spent ages trying to find the right sport. I played team
Okay, you
games
can
like
also
football and
answer.
volleyball when I was a teenager, but I didn't enjoy them.
Again.
I prefer to be in control, so I like I spent ages trying to find the right sport. I played team games like football and volleyball when I was a teenager, but I didn't enjoy them. I prefer to be in control, so I like individual sports. When I was 19, I discovered wingsuit flying. It's an amazing feeling because it really is like being a bird. You can choose which way to fly. I love it. The only problem is, it isn't cheap. For that reason, I can't do it as often as I want to.
All right. Okay, I will give you um
Answer.
okay. So I will play the audio twice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can answer now. Okay, in every audio I will give you twice. I will play the audio twice and then excuse me.
Yeah.
2 minutes left.
Uh, Hello, teacher.
Are you done?
I finished. I finished the letter four. Number four. And one number 1, 2, 3. I have finished it. See.
Okay, number one, spend a long time on the right sport. What kind of sport?
Let's see. Okay. Teacher. Hello, teacher.
Yes, hello. Okay, write your answer.
I finished it, but I don't know the letter 1, 2, 3, and 4. I finished that letter.
Okay, so
Now
you mean that
5.
you don't send to have answer for 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 1 is okay. Okay. I will read the paragraph. Okay. So I spent a I spent ages trying to find the right sport. Okay, listen carefully. Ka. Okay. I played team games like football and volleyball when I was teenager, but I didn't enjoy them. I prefer to be in control, so I like individual sports. Okay. When I was 19, I discovered the wingsuit flying. It's an amazing feeling because it really it really is like being a bird. You can choose which way to fly. I love it. The only problem is it isn't cheap. For that reason, I can do it as often as I want to do. Okay. Your answer for number 1, so you don't have answer for number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. He spent a long time trying to find the right sport or okay, please read this one. Or hello ka.
Yes.
Okay.
Spinach. Take A.
Okay, what are you doing there?
Just-
I think you are writing or
Yes, I write the answer.
oh, okay. Okay. Take note about this one, okay? Okay, number 2, he disliked. So when we say dislike, what do you mean? He doesn't like or he
Don't
doesn't
like. He
want.
doesn't like. Yes.
Yes, okay. He disliked team games when he was a teenager, and the answer is didn't
Doesn't like.
enjoy.
I didn't
Didn't,
enjoy.
yes, enjoy. Okay. Number 3 is he thinks flying is a great feeling or amazing, right? Okay, so number 4, your answer is correct. Isn't cheap. Okay. So can you please read for number 1, 2, 3, and 4?
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. He spent a long time.
He spent a long time trying to find a right spot.
Spent a long time trying to find the right sport. The answer is
Take
ages.
A.
Yes. Okay, take note about this one, okay? What again? Oh, you're
This
mute. Can you please unmute? Okay. Can you please take note this one, ka? Eh, Okay. Okay, take note about this. Rewrite. Okay, write again. He disliked team games when he was a teenager. Oh, what's that? Are you talking with
is
your mom?
yes.
Okay, it's okay. He thinks wingsuit flying is a great feeling or amazing, right? Unfortunately, it is expensive or isn't? Yes, very good. Good job. All right. Shall we proceed to the next one? Are you ready? Are you ready, ka? Okay. Is your signal there is good or bad? Okay, where are you going? Do you want to drink water? Do you want to drink water? Okay, drink water first. Okay, water break first. You're so cute. All right. So, okay, Cap. All right, it's almost time. So, we will cut our lesson today, and we will continue this one on the next in our next meeting. So, shall we proceed to the review first? I am going to
Yeah.
ask you a question. Okay, what was our lesson? It talks about
No, adrenaline,
adrenaline
adrenaline
junkies, right?
junkies.
Okay, what do you
Yeah.
mean by adrenaline junkies? What do you mean by this? It
It's a
means
risky. It's mean a risky activity.
yes,
Then
risky activities. What else?
it's give them a adrenaline rush.
Okay, risky activities. What else?
And they give some adrenaline rush.
Okay, it gives also
Adrenaline rush.
okay, rush or dangerous.
Dangerous.
Okay. So, adrenaline junkies are more on flying, more on aircraft, right? Aircraft, right?
Base
Okay.
tuning.
Yes. Okay. What can you give me some example about adrenaline junkies? Like for example, extreme sport, right? Okay, example. Okay. Extreme sport. What else?
Yeah.
Skydiving, right?
Yes. Skydiving.
Okay, skydiving and extreme sports are similar but different. What? But different. Hello, ka. Hello, ka. Hello, ka.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. But there are, not there are, but they are important differences. Okay, extreme sports or skydiving, they are similar, but they are important differences. Okay? What else? What else? Base jumping, right? Right?
Base jumping. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, who is the filmmaker?
Car.
Okay, Carl.
Cartoonist.
Okay, Carl Bonish, right? He died
In
nine
1984.
yes, 1984. Very good. Okay, and she also made a documentation about car.
Documentaries.
Okay, he also made a documentation about base
Base jumping.
Yes, very good. Okay, base jumping is what? Is
It is an extreme
thrilling.
sport.
Okay, very good. Extreme sport or thrilling experience, right? Okay, don't forget this one. Experience, but what? It is
Dangerous. See.
risky. Okay, can you please read it again? Base jumping,
Base jumping is thrilling experience, but it is risky too.
risky too. Okay, these are the example of adrenaline. Okay, read this one.
Uh, the real life and the real life junkies.
Yes. Okay, when we say again, when we say adrenaline junkies, it means
Risky activities
yeah,
is give also rush.
yes, or people who love excitement, thrill, and risky activities. They enjoy doing things that make their heart race or give them an adrenaline rush. Okay? Did you get it?
No.
Again? What is that?
I don't get it.
Okay, adrenaline junkies, it means risky activities or people who love excitement, thrill, or what? Or risky activities. Okay?
Yes.
Did you get it? Okay, what do you mean by adrenaline junkies?
It means a risky activities
Yes,
and give
very good. It's risky activities. Like for example, extreme.
sport,
What else?
skydiving, base jumping.
Yes, that is an
Um,
example of adrenaline junkies. It's all about risky activities or more on flying the air, right? Right?
yes.
Okay, did you get it? Okay, what do you mean by adrenaline junkies?
Adrenaline junkies mean risky activities.
Okay, again, what do you mean by adrenaline junkies?
Adrenaline the skin is mean risky activities
Yes, okay, risky activities. Like for example,
like extreme sport, diving
skydiving.
skydiving.
All
Oh,
right. Diving
um,
sky. All right. Okay, skydiving. What else? Base.
base jumping,
Yes. Okay, these are the example of
adrenaline junkies.
yes. Okay. So that's all for tonight. Okay, goodbye, Ka. See you next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Goodbye,
Yes.
teacher.
Yeah.